So you guys know I just had to get some green marble nails to match my green marble aesthetic. Thank you, Colebrook Nails, for sending me these nails. They're absolutely beautiful. I let her know that I like medium-sized coffin nails, and I know that I wear a medium size in most sets. So here's the shapes and lengths available on her site. She has a beautiful chart right here so that you're able to figure out what your size is. She asked me if I wanted glossy or matte, and I chose glossy. So thank you so much. Please be sure to check out Colebrook Nails, and I'll leave all the information below. First, you start by filing your nails. Then you gently push your cuticles back. Wipe your nails with the alcohol prep pad. Then you try on each nail to make sure it fits. And then you start applying your nails. Hold for 10 seconds. I'll make sure to leave all of the information in the description box below for the Colebrook Nails website. This was a custom set, but you can also ask her to remake this design if you are interested in it. But I'll make sure to link her site below so you can check out her website and get you a new set. Once you're done applying your nails, don't forget to use the cuticle oil. Thank you again, Colebrook Nails, for sending me these nails. I really appreciate it. I have a green marble case on my Mac, and this set went perfectly with it. So I was just showing you guys that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video with a friend if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video.